I'm going to show you how to do the answer to 14, partly because there's something a little bit different I want to show you. That's the use of the protractor to get this angle in here. So if we go into SketchUp, firstly I count how big this is. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares that way, and it's 6 that way. So it's a 6 by 6 rectangle, and it comes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I'm going to do is get rid of Sophie there. And it was a 60 by 60 millimeter rectangle. And we said it came up by 4. Just move that into the middle a bit more. So 4 squares up. Double check that. It's actually 5. So what I can do here is I can just keep lifting that up a little bit more. So I'm just going to orbit around a little bit on that one. So the angle I need in here is actually 45 degrees. So what I'm going to do is get my protractor. Now you notice depending on the surface that you have will depend on whether it goes green. That means I can measure up along the green axis, blue, flat along the blue axis, or the red axis. So what I want to do is I want to get this corner here because I want a 45 degree angle that's coming out this way. So just move my mouse so it gives me 45. It gives me the blue. I click once and then I click anywhere along this line, so I'm just going to go about there. If I start to turn it round, you'll notice that down the bottom right hand corner it'll tell you the angle. I want 45, so I'm going to stop. Now I want this piece in here, so I notice that it's 3 cubes, which is 30 centimeters. Millimeters. So I grab my ruler, so click anywhere. If I click in 30, it'll give me where these things are going to overlap. So what I can do here is I can draw these lines in from one corner to the middle, and bring that right down. Gives me that funny shape that it had there. I'm going to get rid of these rulers here so they're not in the way. The next bit I want to do is do this bit here and this bit here so I can slice out that middle piece. So this is comes across 2, a gap of 2, and across 2 more. So grab my ruler, zoom down a bit more, and it needs to be 20. This one here also needs to be 20. So what I can do is draw that along and draw that along. Gives me this middle bit, and this piece down here, I think it needed to come down 40. Let's double check. No, it was actually only 30, so I made a mistake. Just click on it. Now I need to come back up 10. There's my shape. So if I do a top view, remember to change it to parallel perspective. That's what you should have had in class when you draw it. Front view, side view, so you can see what it looks like, and isometric. So that looks almost the same as that.